Shemai, this is a chord drill for the key of A major. Now chord drills are a great way of practicing your chords, and because they're in a key or a key signature and songs are in a key, you'll often find the same chords from a drill are in a song as well. Okay, right, there are 4 chords. I'll run through those in a moment. Each play along, it starts slowly and gets faster. Okay, oh, and strum pattern, I'm suggesting an island strum, down, down, up, up, down, up, but it is entirely up to you what strum you want to practice with. So the 4 chords we find in A major. There's an A chord, first finger, first fret on the C string, second finger, second fret on the G string, A. Now the next chord sounds scarier than it actually is. F sharp minor. Now if you put your fingers in the same position you were in for your A chord, so in other words, first fret, first finger on the C string, and second finger, second fret on the E string, and then just tuck your ring finger or your third finger onto the second fret on your E string. Okay, it's actually the same pattern across the strings as your G7. Okay, but if you take it from your A and then go into your F sharp minor, so you're doing and then, all right, it's a really nice way of practicing it. So then we've got our D chord. So again, it's second fret, okay, first finger, second fret on the G string, second finger, second fret on the C string, or your ring finger, third finger, second fret on the E string. There's your D. It can be a little bit of a squeeze, okay. Some players do prefer to put middle finger, third finger and pinky. Nothing wrong with that, okay. And our E7 chord. So you're going to put your first finger, G string on the first fret, your second finger or your middle finger, second fret on the C string, and then you're going to tuck your ring finger or your third finger across, second fret on the A string, so E7. Okay, so those are our 4 chords. All right, I'll let the play along take over now. I do hope this chord drill has helped. We often use these at the beginning of a session in ukulele club in school. They're a great way of warming up your fingers before you start playing. Go back over, practice and practice, okay? That's the way to make your chord changes really smooth. Also, don't forget, you can slow these videos down. click on the settings, that little cog below, and then you can slow the video right down if you're finding the chord changes too fast for now. If you've enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please give us a like. Feel free to leave a comment below. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.